Welcome to the Examdate YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the SSC JE recruitment for the year 2020. SSC recruitment 2020 notification for junior engineer post will be going to publish in the 1st October 2020. The candidates who are really interested and eligible to apply for the junior engineer post can start to apply from 1 October 2020. For this notification, we are going to see the notification details such as education, qualification, vacancy, apply online details, selection process in this video. Staff Selection Commission has planned to release the notification for the junior engineer post on 1st October 2020 and the last date for the submission of online application is 30 October 2020. This notification available date is released on the examination calendar which was announced recently, and exam date for this notification is 22 March 2021 to 25 March 2021. For this recruitment, the candidate should have completed degree or diploma in engineering in concerned discipline from a recognized university or institution. The maximum age limit for this recruitment is 30 years. The candidates who have selected for this post will have a pay of Rs 35,400 to 1,12,400 of pay matrix of 7th CPC. Application fee for this recruitment is the candidate have to pay an application fee of Rs 100 and women candidates and candidates belong to SC/ST category or exempted from fee payment. Selection process for this recruitment is the candidate will be selected on the basis of paper 1 and paper 2. The paper 1 is computer based examination and paper 2 is written examination. Paper 1 consists of general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, and after that subject of concerned discipline. General intelligence and reasoning have 50 marks, general awareness also have 50 marks, and subject which concerned discipline will have 100 marks. The total marks for this objective type examination is 2 hours. Paper 2 is descriptive type and this consists of engineering subjects. Part A, engineering civil and structural. Part B, engineering electrical, or Part C, engineering mechanical. Any of the subjects will be asked in descriptive type. Total marks for this descriptive type examination is 300 marks and 2 hours will be awarded for this examination. There will be a negative mark for this examination. For each wrong answer, 0.25 marks will be deducted. Candidate will be selected on the basis of paper 1 and paper 2 marks. The candidates who will be selected in the paper 1 will have to undergo for paper 2 examination. Paper 2 will have to be written either in Hindi or in English. At the same time, paper 1 will be of MCQ type. The detailed syllabus for this junior engineer post is given in the notification. So candidates can refer the notification once after published on the official site. Finally, how to apply for this recruitment is the candidate have to log in to the official site. Once reach the official site, the candidate have to register her name with the valid email ID and password. After that, with that registration number, the candidate have to click apply online link which is enabled after the notification published. Once click the apply online link, the candidate have to enter the required detail which is asked in the online application. After enter the required details, the candidate have to upload the photograph and signature. After that, the candidate have to pay an application fee. Once the application fee is done, the candidate will apply for the post. After that, the candidate can start the preparation for this examination. Once after submit the application, the candidate have to start the preparation for examinations. The exam is scheduled to be held in the month of March 2021. So be aware of it and apply for the post once the notification released. We will update you immediately in this video once after the notification released. Notification PDF and apply online link is given in our below description box. Candidates can make use of it to download the notification and apply through online. The apply online link will be enabled after the notification published on the official site. The notification is going to be published in the 1st October 2020. Candidates can keep mind that start to apply for the post once after the notification released on the official site. Thank you. We hope that the engineering candidates will have a big chance to apply for the commission recruitment, and it is also a great privilege to become a junior engineer in SSC. Thank you.